So we are given a question on moments, which is also known as torque. And the question goes thus: a uniform beam of length 4 meter and mass 20 kilogram. So the weight of that beam is going to be 200 newtons, because it will be 20 times 10. Please don't make the mistake of using 20 kilogram in your calculation. So let's move on. A uniform beam of length 4 meter and mass 20 kg is supported at both ends. Now, a girl of mass 40 kg stands on the beam at a distance of 1.5 meter from one end of the support. Find or what is the reaction at the support. So this is what they are saying. We have a uniform beam of 4 meters. That means from here to here is what? 4 meters. 4 meters. Yes, exactly. And it is supported at both ends. So we have a knife point here, which is also a pivot, and we have another one here. So remember that the mass of the uniform beam is 20 kilogram, and according to the law of center of mass, it's going to act in between, like at the center of that beam. So you look for 2 centimeters, the middle is around here. So this is where the 20 kilogram acts. But remember that we cannot use 20 kilogram direct. Weight is equal to mass times acceleration due to gravity, and the mass is 20, acceleration due to gravity is 10. So our weight is what? 200 newtons. So instead of a girl of mass 40 kilogram, remember you multiply by 10, giving us 400 newtons, stands on the beam at a distance of 1.5 meter. So let's take from here to here as 1.5 meter. Notice that the 400 newtons is longer because it is bigger than this 200 newtons. It will matter a lot in your work. So instead of at the distance of 1.5 meters, so from here to here is 1.5 meters. If this is the middle, from here to here is 2 meters. That means this remaining place will be what? 0.5 meters. Why this place is 2 meters? If you add this plus this, you get 2 meters. So we should find the reactions at the support. So there will be a reaction force here. Let's name it F1, and another one here. Let's name it F2. So according to the principle of moment, the anticlockwise moment is equals to the anticlockwise moment. Anticlockwise moment equals to the clockwise moment. So what are the clockwise and anticlockwise moment there? So we say taking moment about F2. You can take moment about F1, but I want to use F2 here. So taking moment about F2. So that means all our lines of force we act or we conjoin here to meet here. So the moment is equals to what? Force times perpendicular distance. F times perpendicular distance. So for F1, the force here is F1. So it will be what? F1 times 4. It is 4 F1. Now why is it F1 times 4? Because 4 meters is distance, the perpendicular distance between F1 and the F2 that will take moment about. If you check it, this is perpendicular and the distance is what? 4 meters. Don't make the mistake of using this. It's from F1 to this. So 4 F1 is equals to what? Now that is the clockwise moment. It's going like this. Now let's do the anti-clockwise moment. We have 2 anti-clockwise moments here. It is 200 newtons and 400 newtons. So for the 400 newtons, remember, don't go like this. We are taking moment about F2, so to come like this. So to be 400 times what? The distance from here to here, let's calculate it. From here to here is 0.5 meters. From here to here is what? 2 meters. So the moment of this place will be 400 times 0.5 plus 2 is what? 2.5. Plus, remember we have 2 moments. We have 2 moments. Clockwise equals to anti-clockwise. So the distance between 200 newtons and F2 is 2 meters. So it's now be 200 times 2. So 4 F1 is equals to 400 times 2.5. Let's get our calculator. 400 times 2.5 is 1000 plus 200 times 2 is what? 400. So 4f1 is equals to 1400. f1 will give us 1400 over 4. f1 is equals to 350 newtons. So we have found the reaction at this point. We can make this A and B just for clearance. So now, how do we find F2? According to principle of moment again, F1 plus F2 is equal to 400 plus 200. What do I mean? In calculating vectors, when you do resultant of vectors, the summation of the y components, all the ones acting in y components, whether the positive side or the negative side, they are equal. That means what? F1 plus what? F2, that the ones acting upwards, is equals to 400 plus 200. 400 plus 200. So F1 is what? 350 plus F2 is equal to 400 plus 600 is 6. 400 plus 200 is 600. So F2 will be equals to 600 minus 350 to give us 250 newtons. So F2 is equals to 250 newtons. Now if you check, let's cross check. You said that 400 plus 200 is what? 600. Now put 250 newtons in this equation. 350 plus 250 will likewise give us 600. So in conclusion, the reaction at this point, F1 is equal to 350 newtons, and the reaction at this point, D, which is F2, is equals to 250 newtons. So this is how you solve questions on principle of moments. Now this is how most examiners will bring their questions out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Smart Academy. Thank you.